Hey everyone, welcome back to Jabberjaw. Today I'm going to be doing the world's fastest unboxing slash review slash try on of the October Boxycharm base box. So the first item we're going to get into in the box is the Murad exfoliating cleanser. I'm really excited to receive this product. Let's give it a go. Oh, it's too hot. This product is great. I absolutely love it. I absolutely love this brand. It's hard to tell with skincare products like this if I like it or not after only one use, but so far so good. My skin feels so soft right now. So next up, I'm gonna use two items together. I got these Hipdot beauty blending sponges, and there's like a normal sized one and then a cute little baby one. And they're super soft. And I'm gonna use one of these to apply the Grown Alchemist Balancing Moisturizer. So first I wet the beauty blender. I'm just gonna use this. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. It's like very light and faint. It's not overwhelming in any way. Now the third item is the item I'm probably most excited for in this entire box. It's a Pretty Vulgar Nesting Face palette, which is just 100% my vibe. I love the brand Pretty Vulgar for blushes. I've used their blushes before. They look so good on. And it's just a full face palette. Super big pans, so any size brush can dip in there. So here's the look I created using the Pretty Vulgar palette. I just got the resting face. So I was able to create a really natural look, not really my vibe usually. My two favorite shades in here are Ego and Glimmer of BS. They're both really shimmery. The formula was great, smooth glided on. Loved it. It was awesome. It was dope. So the last item up today is this Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Kiss tinted lip butter. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. So this is what it looks like, but let's put it on. The Sol de Janeiro lip butter smells great, glides on, very hydrating. I love this brand. I love their products. They're awesome. Okay, final thoughts. This box was more like on the skincare side, not a whole lot of makeup. Generally, I prefer more dramatic looks, bright colors. So this isn't necessarily a box that I think is great for my particular taste, but I still think it was an excellent value. All the products are really nice and I'll definitely use them in the future. 2 thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. If you could please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm uploading all the time, and let me know if there's anything in this box you would have liked to get, or yeah, that. Okay, thank you, bye.